Okay, we have some main New York City factory footage.
Mm-hmm.
Some stuff came in. These are the new
Whoa.
modules.
These are going to get used in some things.
Yeah.
It's coming.
This is the next countdown for climate change stuff. We got to work on that next. So
Yeah.
let's fix democracy, solve this pandemic thing, then we'll get to climate stuff.
Yeah.
Probably have to do it all at the same time. Okay, next up.
Everybody can still think on what time you guys want to go. Go to it over 2 o'clock. All right. Tell me, I'll go late.
Kitty pies!
Is it cutie pies?
Kitty pies!
Ah, kitty pie.
Yeah.
That's right, they are.
Yeah.
Good eye. How did you see that?
Because I just went to the eye doctor and they said I had good eyes. Like, I'm not kidding.
Really good eyes. I can see that.
This is Adafruit across the street. They're still...
Digging a hole.
Yeah, I remember when, like, they're like, you know, Disney's moving across the street, the rent's going to go up. I'm like, yeah, well, we'll see about that.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
And what is Manhattan occupancy, like 10%?
Yeah. There's a lot of empty building space right now. 'Cause
Yeah, we walk every night to the office and we look in the windows and there's emptiness.
And then here's a beautiful sunset. See, time still goes on no matter what. So you may as well learn some skills.
Yes.